wanting to buy this bag for a while now. And without further ado, here it is. It's from Tory Burch. Yes. And ultimately, what made me buy this item, the same reason, it's always the same reason why I buy it. It's the color. It's the color that sold me this item. Here it is. Wow, isn't she beautiful? First off, that mint green. That's the best mint green I've seen. It's very easy on the eye. My favorite color is green, by the way. And I don't have this kind of green yet. This is very beautiful. Look at that. And that silver hardware. Actually, I don't think this is silver, because it's not shiny kind of silver. So there's probably a very specific name for this silver, but for now, let's just call it silver. But it's very beautiful. The green, the hardware, it makes it's like very cool in the eye. And the chain. I told you I'm kind of tired of chains, but this color of bag, I can't miss it. This is gorgeous. So I don't have a lot of bag this size, so this is perfect. Actually, this was an accident. So I was actually trying to buy the smaller version, but I guess they looked the same in the picture, and there was a sale during that time, so I thought this was a smaller version, and I wanted to check out very quickly because it seems like every time I add something into my cart that is on sale, it goes away or it gets sold out very quickly. So I thought, you know what, I'll add this to my cart and I'll go ahead and buy it because it was on sale. I think the price was $250, so it was like 50% off, so I couldn't miss that. And similar to the Coach bag, it has generally 3 compartments. So it has this compartment right here, and this smaller pocket right here, and the zipper. Okay. So the zipper is smaller. I would say I'll probably put my wallet there because for some reason I tend to lose my wallets. And it has another zipper on the back. So I could see myself using this when we are traveling and I have to bring passports for me and the kids. If I need to bring docs with me, like little docs, maybe plane tickets, you know. So it has some room for little snacks and other necessities that I would need. I think this is going to be my everyday bag this year. So let me know what you think. I will create another video about what fits inside, but for now, let's just enjoy the way this bag looks because it's really beautiful. I think it's very beautiful. This is the Kira bag from Tory Burch, and I believe it comes with 2 different sizes, and this is the bigger version. I'm not sure if there's one that's much bigger than this, but I think this is the bigger version. And it always comes in different color every year, but this is the color that sold me and I love it. For those who are subscribed, thank you so much. I do appreciate you. Thank you so much for your support. For those ones that keep coming back to watch more videos but not subscribed yet, I hope you can consider subscribing because this helps me and motivates me to create more content like this. So, thank you again and see you on my next video. Bye!